What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Habtish Tech, and today we're talking about making that sweet, sweet cash online. Whether you're trying to fund a new gaming PC, get those limited edition sneakers, or just escape the daily grind, this video is pure gold. We're diving deep into 7 proven ways to make money online in 2025. And the best part? Some of these don't even need any money to start. So grab your energy drinks, smash that like button, and let's get this bread. First up, freelancing. If you can write, design, edit videos, or even make your voice sound epic, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are your new best friends. These websites connect you with clients from all over the world who are willing to pay for your skills. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere. Start small, build a killer profile, and watch those orders roll in. Next up, print on demand. Design an awesome t-shirt, upload it, and make money every time someone buys it. No need to worry about printing, shipping, or returns. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble handle it all. You can create designs for t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, mugs, and more. Design it once and watch those sales notifications roll in while you chill and count your cash. Alright, moving on to number 3, affiliate marketing. Partner with brands, promote their products using special links, and earn a commission for every sale you drive. Bloggers, YouTubers, social media stars, this one's for you. Got a platform and a loyal following? You're sitting on a gold mine. Join programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Impact. Promote products you love and get a cut of the sales. Easy money. Chapter 4. YouTube, from viewer to moneymaker. Whether you're into gaming, beauty tutorials, tech reviews, or cooking, there's an audience waiting to watch your content. Monetize your channel with ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate links. Find your niche, be consistent, and engage with your audience. Building a loyal community is the secret sauce to YouTube success. Grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and show the world what you've got. Moving on to number 5, digital products like online courses and ebooks. Are you a photography whiz, a marketing guru, a master chef? Share your expertise. Create the course or ebook once and sell it over and over again. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it easy to create, host, and sell your digital masterpieces. Empower others with your knowledge while growing your wealth. Let's talk about remote work. Legit full-time jobs with salaries and benefits, all from the comfort of your home. Websites like Remote OK and We Work Remotely are treasure troves of remote job postings. From software development to customer service, there's something for everyone. Say goodbye to the soul-crushing commute and embrace the freedom. Last but not least, AI and automation. Use AI to boost productivity, automate tasks, and create new income streams. People are making bank with custom Notion templates, AI-powered chatbots, and AI-generated art. Tons of user-friendly AI tools make it easy to get started. Embrace the future and boost your income. So there you have it, folks. 7 game-changing ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, there's something here for everyone. Choose one method, dive in, and start building your online empire. Let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this.